Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Minh Quân.
What do you like about your hometown?
I like food in my hometown and people in my hometown.
What do you dislike about your neighborhood? What don't you like?
I don't like solution and dog.
Are computers important to you?
What?
Are computers important to you?
Yes,
Why?
because it can make me rich and learn everything in the computer.
Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I prefer cooking at home,
Why?
like rice and egg.
City or countryside?
What?
City or countryside?
Countryside.
Why?
I don't know it
Why do you like the countryside?
because it can save me and it in a middle with two country.
Cool. Very good. Thank you very much.